All right, Bonito with mango, coconut and lime, Shiso and cayenne chilies. So we've got this Jim's long cayenne, some fresh mango. I'm going to scoop it out. Okay, we're going to add some fresh lime juice in there, some coconut milk, and then we're going to give it a nice blend. Make it into a sauce. Okay, this is Jim's long cayenne, some Shiso leaves. Going to roll those up and finely slice those. Okay, and then we're going to fill it our Bonito. Okay, we're going to start with the top cut. We're going to make a little outline down the back. Come in over the top of the backbone and there's a fillet. I'm going to take the bloodline out and the bones and slice those into nice sashimi-sized pieces. Okay, I'm going to arrange it on a plate. So on goes the mango and coconut and lime sauce. All right, on goes the fish, the Bonito, the cayenne chilies, the Shiso, and there you have it. Bonito with coconut, lime and mango sauce, chili and Shiso.